Hi everyone! Welcome to the Touch Notes tutorial. If you often need to give presentations, using a laser pointer can allow you to interact better with your audience. Using a laser pointer when reading or reviewing can also make you more focused and efficient. You can choose the appropriate laser pointer type according to different scenarios and needs. There are 3 common types of laser pointers for you to choose from. When recording key points, the laser pen can write laser handwriting on the notes, and it will be retained. You can change the color and adjust the thickness. It makes the key contents of notes more prominent and organized, helping to improve the visual experience. The dot laser pointer is suitable for demonstrating animation, video, or web content. It displays a bright red dot on the screen, simulating the effect of a real laser pointer to attract the audience's attention and highlight key parts of the presentation material. When reading, use a line laser pointer to follow the text to help remember key points and improve reading efficiency.